We've arrived here at the Quick Pitch Adventure Center. It is a track that you have to book up front. About 7 cars here, driving again with the guys from 4x4 saam met vriende. We've got a Fortuner, some Amaroks, a Ford and a Prado as well. Sandy track, but at the moment the sand is very moist, so traction shouldn't be a problem, but let's see how the day goes.
The Quick Pitch Adventure Center is just over an hour's drive away from Johannesburg. Should you wish to make a weekend out of it, they do have camping facilities as well.
Currently everybody's just deflating the tires. We'll start off with 1.5 bar. Natalie, what pressure are you going to run on your tires?
Also 1.5 bar for the sandy conditions and a bit of rock at the back.
Yes, so we'll see how it goes, maybe deflate if required, but there is a rocky section as well, so let's first try and 1.5 bar and adjust accordingly.
We quickly got together for the group briefing.
We start the track just here. So if you guys have a specific order you'd like to do it, we can do that, that'll be great. And then us three will be here today. We'll spot and navigate and guide you guys through every obstacle. We'll make sure the whole idea is to have a lucky draw, but not to hurt your cars.
After the briefing, we headed off to the first obstacle on the trail.
But if you want to go in the holes, you can go in the holes. Just be careful here. Your front wheel will.
First obstacle done and dusted, and it was time for obstacle number 2.
You're going to sink in horribly.
The first part of the trail is spread over a small area and has all the sandy obstacles.
Okay, so what I've done is I've put one max track here in front of the rear wheel. The other one we've put here at the front wheel. What day?
So
So far it's a very exciting day. I think everybody is having fun around here. Really a nice trail, nice place to play around and practice. That's what I did there with the Max Tracks. I knew I was going to get stuck by the way I drove the obstacles, but it gives you the opportunity. You're stuck in a controlled environment and you can learn how to place it, how to dig exactly to make them work 100%.
Next obstacle, and it was time to kick up some sand. This obstacle will give the guys the opportunity to flex their suspension a bit. For this obstacle, there is only one way to get up. Give it power. The next obstacle was the opposite. Here you need to do it as slow as possible. We send in the Ranger first. Johan is adding some weight to reduce the risk of the vehicles tipping over.
so you got to be careful here. So as you come, you're going to lean like this, and as you level out, you're going to run out of real estate here, so you're going to have to put a bit of power. But now as you put power, it's going to grab, and that's how it's going to lift.
Done with the sandy part of the trail, and we headed out to the rocky section. In order to get to the rocky section, we first had to cross the small stream.
We've reached the rocky section now, so there's a couple of vehicles that's going to do it. Basically the vehicles that's got suspension lifts and larger tires.
For this part of the trail, it is essential to follow the instructions of the guide to prevent vehicle damage.
Yeah, you can try. Any difficulties wide. Wide. Oh, wide.
Done with the rocks, and it was time to head back to camp.
That's the end of the day here at Quick Pitch. Really an exciting trail. If you're close by, or even if you're far away, I will put it on my bucket list. We'll definitely be back. I think we'll try and do it somewhere when it's winter. Then the sand will be a bit more loose, so that will make it interesting. Again, with a nice group of people, it's always fun. I like it that there's a variety of vehicles. It's not the same vehicle doing the obstacles over and over again, so you start to appreciate what other vehicles can do versus yours. Yeah, but thanks again for watching. See you on the next one. Smash the like button, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications when there's videos.